You guys hungry? I know you guys are. Being all together. All right, pigs are all happy this morning now that they got fed. We've got a few pens to clean out today, and also we are gonna start working on the pens down at the shop, getting them painted up and getting them ready to come up here. So the pens will come over to about right here that I have built, but I'm gonna go ahead and line the back of the wall all the way over to that post right there. That way it'll give me extra in case I have to add one more pen. That'll give me 8 pens over here, so that should be plenty, I hope. Problem is, we have heat lamps in all our pens now. That's the limit, because that'll blow the breaker in the house. Because we don't have a sub panel out here in this barn. It's only a 20 amp circuit that runs up here, so that's about the limit. So I don't know whether to heat the barn for next winter or not, but that's to be determined for sure. All right, guys, well, I gotta go to Lowe's, pick up some supplies, and I'll meet you down at the shop. All right, guys, we are in the shop now. So I got the gate that I'm gonna build up on the horses. And these are the other 2 pieces that I got. Get this extra piece, got another long piece. Then that's kind of a short gate that I'm going to make another 5-foot gate out of it. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a little bit of time lapse and some music, and we'll get rolling on this, and I'll catch you guys on the other side.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, Matt, you want me?
That's fine. Okay,
Let's go. Don't come up.
I'm sorry.
Do not let that baby up there. Arms out.
She's right behind her.
Right on your right side of her.
Just push. She'll get in there.
It's okay.
Good girls.
Settle in.
Come here.
Go yell at that horse, Julia.
It's hiding.
Her is not sure. I'm gonna need
She's tall.
Come here. It's okay. Come here. Hi.
Let's give him some time to acclimate.
You're so cute. Yes, you are. Come
Hi. Oh. Does she have snot in her nose?
on. Maybe a little bit.
Shine the light.
I don't have my phone. Just let go of it.
Well, this is the end of a wonderful day. Yesterday we had high winds up to, had to be 65, 70 mile an hour. I just got done replacing the shingles on top of my house. Tore off like 15 foot of cap and about 10 full shingles off the back side here. I've never ever had a shingle come off that roof, so it was pretty windy yesterday for sure. But yeah, I got most of the pig pens are done. I got one more to build, and as you've seen, the two new additions to the farm here are the one little racehorse. I'm gonna call her Scooter, but they really haven't got a name for her right now, and then the mama. So those two we picked up down in Cincinnati today, and they will be here for the rest of their lives. And like I said, that the baby was born I want to say the 27th of February, so she's pretty new. She's definitely pretty new, and the mama is a sweetheart. She's very friendly, loves her face to be petted. The baby, she hasn't been handled a whole lot, so we got a big job ahead of us to get her handled. She doesn't even have a halter on her yet. And no, we will not leave the halter on her. We'll just put it on and off. I know there's some people that can't stand horses that have halters on, but it is what it is. So yeah, we got to get her halter trained so we can take her outside. We can't just keep taking her outside without a halter or lead line, because if she gets loose and runs away, that's going to be a big problem. So, but the wind also put a doozy on this lean-to roof, and I'm out of daylight right now, so I'm gonna have to get to it tomorrow evening. Let's see if you guys can see it from here. Sometimes I can't get far enough back here to see. I'll let you guys see, but if you can see that damage up there, it's like right there. But it tore up quite a few shingles, and actually got a little bit of plywood showing. So that's another spot I got to get fixed. So we're not really gonna get any rain for the next day or two, so I can let that go till tomorrow. Well, anyways, guys, I want to end this video here. It's been kind of back and forth and every which way. It's just been kind of hectic the last couple days, getting things squared away, trying to get those pens done. And then we had that windstorm, and that put us a day behind getting the 2 new horses, because we were going to get them that day of the windstorm. It was just too windy. We couldn't take the chance, so we went and got them today. Today's Sunday, so it ate up most of the day. It took about 8 hours to get down to Cincinnati and back. So as soon as I got back, I had to get on the roof and get that fixed. But that's a day in the life of owning a small farm here. So anyways, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. You know, we do videos like this at least at the minimum once a week. I try to upload either Sunday or Monday. So, but anyways, guys, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.